Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making a new movie project and importing the assets you plan to use. Once done, drag your primary clip and the background image, ideally matching your target canvas size, onto the timeline. Make sure automatic cropping is off or set to fit so Imovie doesn't force 16:9 zoom. This immediate setup lets you control framing rather than fighting default behavior. Now position the background as a base layer under your clip and prepare to adjust framing and overlays. Next, focus on framing. Select a clip and choose crop to fill to set the visible portion, or choose fit to preserve full content if your background defines the canvas. Use picture-in-picture or overlay tools to scale and position foreground elements precisely over the background. If you need motion, apply Ken Burns, but be careful. It changes the effective crop. Make incremental adjustments and scrub the timeline to confirm composition across the whole clip before moving to export settings. Finish by exporting. Use Share Right arrow file to select resolution and quality. This determines the final pixel canvas Imovie outputs. For precise dimensions, prepare a background image at the exact pixel size you want. Imovie will scale exports to the chosen resolution while keeping that framing. If the aspect still looks off, revisit crop settings and overlays, or export and use QuickTime or another app to trim or pad edges. A key tip: check a short test export before finalizing long projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.